Hello, so this question is minimum number of operations to make element in array distinct. So you give an integer array, and then basically you want to remove 3 elements from the beginning if they are duplicate. So for example, 3 right here is duplicate in the array, which is not a distinct array, right? So once there's an element that is that's repeating twice, you want to remove 3 by 3 at the same time, and then once you remove, you want to check whether or not the remaining element in the array are distinct. So in order to do this, the tricky way is that you traverse from the end to the beginning. You're going to check whether or not, like, you're doing it one at a time, right? So you're going to see, oh, the 7 has 7 visit before, no, so the frequency for 7 is 1, 5 will be 1, 3 will be 1, and then if you see another 3, you increment the counter to 2. Then that being said, at this moment, you want to consider this 3 as a box, right? So the reason why you know is is 3 at the same time, well, whether or not is what pairs of the 3 is because of index. If you notice that for the first box, the difference is, the number is 0 to 2, and then for this one is 3 to 5. So you want to remove whatever the duplicate block beforehand. So you're going to say I. So this is I, right? So anything between 3 to 5 is I. So I would divide by 3 plus 1, or you can do I plus 3 divided by 3. So you want to make sure like this is going to be because the base index is 0, right? And also the way you calculate the block, right, is 3 at a time, right? So yeah, let's start coding. So you're going to have a frequency counter. This will represent the number that will occur between 1 to 100. So I'll have a 101. So I can say freak, and then 101. This is represent you want to include in the 0, and then you're starting from the end and all the way to the beginning, and then you want to increment your nums. So you want to increment your frequency beforehand, and then you want to check whether or not this is greater or equal than 2 or greater than 1. That doesn't matter. If this is happening, then you can say I plus 3 divided by 3, and then else you will return 0. The reason why it's returned to 0 is because maybe your array are all distinct. This will be it. So for the time and space, it's pretty straightforward. Space is going to be constant. Time, this is going to be all of n. Yeah, this will be the solution. Alright, see you.